Hello guys, Assalam-o-alaikum. I am Kaleem Khan and you are watching our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1. So if you are new on our YouTube channel Kaleem TV1, so subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. In this video we shall provide information about Karachi. Now we start video. Karachi is the most populous city in Pakistan and 12th most populous city in the world with a population of over 20 million. It is situated at the southern tip of the country along the Arabian Sea coast. It is the former capital of Pakistan and capital of the province of Sindh, ranked as a Beta Global City. It is Pakistan's premier industrial and financial center with an estimated GDP of over $200 billion as of 2021. Karachi paid $9 billion, 25% of whole country dollar as tax during fiscal years July 2021 to May 2022, according to FBR report. Karachi is Pakistan's most cosmopolitan city, linguistically, ethnically and religiously diverse, as well as one of the Pakistan's most socially liberal cities. Karachi serves as a transport hub and contains Pakistan's two largest seaports, the Port of Karachi and Port Qasim, as well as Pakistan's busiest airport, Jinnah International Airport. Karachi is also a media center, home to news channel, film and fashion industry of Pakistan. Most of Pakistan's multinational companies and banks have their headquarters in Karachi. Karachi is also a tourism hub due to its scenic beaches, historic buildings and shopping malls. The region has been inhabited for millennia, but the city was formally founded as the fortified village of Kolaki as recently as 1729. The settlement greatly increased in importance on arrival of East India Company in mid-19th century. British administrators embarked on substantial project to transform the city into a major seaport and connect it with the extensive railway network of India subcontinent. At the time of the partition of India in 1947, the city was largest in Sindh with an estimated population of 400,000 people. Following the independence of Pakistan, the city experienced a dramatic shift in population and demography with the arrival of hundreds of thousands of Muhajir Muslim refugees from India, coupled with a substantial exodus of its Hindu residents whose numbers declined from 51% to 1.7% of the total population. The city experienced rapid economic growth following Pakistan's independence, attracting migrants from throughout the country and other regions in South Asia. According to the 2017 census of Pakistan, Karachi's total population was 14.9 million, of those people residing in the urban area of the city. Karachi is one of the world's fastest growing cities and has significant communities representing almost every ethnic group in Pakistan. Karachi holds more than 2 million Bengali immigrants, 1 million Afghan refugees and up to 400,000 Rohingyas from Myanmar. Karachi is now Pakistan's premier industrial and financial center. The city has a formal economy estimated to be worth $190 billion as of 2021, which is the largest in the country. Karachi collects 35% Pakistan tax revenue and generates approximately 25% of Pakistan's entire GDP. Approximately 30% of Pakistani industrial output is from Karachi. Approximately 90% of the multinational corporation and 100% of bank operating in Pakistan are headquartered in Karachi. Karachi is considered to be Pakistan's fashion capital and has hosted the annual Karachi Fashion Week since 2009. Known as the City of Lights in the 1960 and 1970. Now, entertainment, tourism and culture. Shopping malls. Karachi is home to Pakistan and South Asia's largest shopping mall, Lucky One Mall, which hosts more than 200 stores. According to TripAdvisor, the city is also home to Pakistan's favorite shopping mall, Dolmen Mall, Clifton, which was also featured on CNN. In 2023, another mega mall entertainment complex named Mall of Karachi, situated at the bottom of Pakistan's tallest skyscraper, Bahria Icon Tower, will be opened. Now, museum and galleries. Karachi is home to several of Pakistan's most important museums. The National Museum of Pakistan and Mohata Palace display artwork, while the city also has several private art galleries. There are also the Pakistan's Air Force Museum and the Pakistan Maritime Museum and the country's first interactive science center, the Magnify Science Center, located in the city. Wazir mentioned the birthplace of Pakistan's founder Muhammad Ali Jinnah has also been preserved as a museum open to public. Quaid-e-Azam House, the residence of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, is also a museum which showcases his furniture and other belongings. Other museums include TDF Ghar and the State Bank of Pakistan Museum or Art Gallery. Now, theatre and cinema. Karachi is home to some of Pakistan's important cultural institutions. The National Academy of Performing Art, located in the former Hindu Gymkhana, offers diploma courses in performing arts, including classical music and contemporary theatre. Karachi is home to groups such as the Sapiens Theatres, a professional youth-based non-profit performing arts group which works on theatre and arts activities in Pakistan. Though Lahore was considered to be home of Pakistan film industry, Karachi is home to Urdu cinema and Kara Film Festival, annually showcases independent Pakistani and international film and documentaries. Bambino Cinema, Capri Cinema, Cinepex Cinema, Cine Goldplex Cinema, Mega Multiplex Cinema, Newplex Cinema, Atrium Mall Cinema are some of the most popular cinemas in Karachi. Now, geography. Karachi is located on the coastline of Sindh province in southern Pakistan along the Karachi Harbour, a natural harbour on the Arabian Sea. Karachi is built on a coastal plain with scattered rocky outcroppings, hill and marshlands. Mangrove forests grow in the brackish waters around the Karachi harbour and further southeast toward the expansive Indus River's delta. West of Karachi city is the Cape Monzi, locally known as Ras Moeri, which is an area characterized by sea cliff, rocky sandstone, promontories and beaches. Karachi lies very close to a major fault line where the Indian tectonic plate meet the Arabian tectonic plate. Within the city of Karachi are two small ranges, the Khasa Hills and Mulri Hills, which lie in the northwest and acts as a barrier between North Nazimabad and Aurangi. Karachi's hills are barren, are part of the larger Kirthar range and have a maximum elevation of 528 meters. Karachi has developed around the Melir River and Liari rivers, with the Liari shore being the site of the settlement for Kolaki. To the east of Karachi lies the Indus River flood plains. Now climate. Karachi has a hot desert climate dominated by a long summer season, while moderated the oceanic influence from the Arabian Sea. The city has low annual average precipitation level, the bulk of which occurs during July-August monsoon season. Summer are hot and humid, and Karachi is prone to deadly heat waves. On the other hand, cool sea breeze typically provide relief during hot summer month. A text messages based early warning system alert people to take precautionary measures and helps prevent fatalities during an unusually strong heat wave or thunderstorms. The winter climate is dry and lasts between December and February. It is dry and pleasant in winter relative to the warm hot season that follows, which starts in March and lasts until October. Proximity to the sea maintains humidity levels at near constant level years round. Thus, the climate is similar to a humid tropical climate except for low precipitation and occasional temperatures well over 100 F due to dry continental influence. The city's highest month rainfall 19 inch occurred in July 1967. The city's highest rainfall in 20 hours occurred on 7 August 1953 when about 278 millimeters of rain lashed the city, resulting in major flooding. Now cityscape. The city first development around the Karachi harbour and owes much of its growth to its role as a seaport. At the end of the 18th century, contrasted with Pakistan millennia, old cities such as Lahore, Multan and Peshawar, Karachi's method neighborhood represent the extent of Kolaki prior to British rule. British Karachi was divided between the New Town and Old Town, with British investment focused primarily on the New Town. The Old Town was a largely unplanned neighborhood which housed most of the city's indigenous residents and had no access to sewerage system, electricity and water. Newtown was subdivided into residential, commercial and military area. Given the strategic value of city, British development the Karachi cantonment as a military garrison in the new town at the British war effort in the first Anglo-Afghan War. The city's development was largely confined to the area north of the China Creek prior to independence, although the east side area of Clifton was also development as a push locals under the British. Karachi's city limits also include several islands including Baba and Bit Islands, Oyster Rocks, Manora, a former island which is now connected to the mainland by a thin 12 kilometers long shoal known as सैंड स्पिट, गुलिस्ताने जोहर, गुलशने इकबाल, फेडरल बी. Okay guys, now thanks for watching.